watch your step as you're boarding. Monorail Orange will be taking you on a round trip with one stop in downtown Disney where you're welcome to exit, or you can stay on and come back to the Tomorrowland Monorail Station.
Incredible.
So I'm going to take the monorail to Rainforest Cafe in downtown Disney.
Have a good time, guys.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
This is amazing. We're in the very end. Here we go.
Hello everyone. Welcome aboard the Disneyland Monorail. We are now beginning a 2.5-mile journey to downtown Disney Station and back, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the cabin. Be sure to warm your and no smoking, please.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y manténgase sentado.
That towering fortress in the distance is home to the Divine Collection, where the collector showcases its newest acquisitions, the Guardians of the Galaxy. We're now passing Grizzly Peak, land of scenic wonders, where you can experience the beauty and exhilaration of free flight in Soarin'. Coming into view is Disney's Grand California Hotel and Spa. If you will be leaving us here and returning later today, please hold on to your park ticket as you leave the station. You may reboard the monorail for a return trip to Tomorrowland up until 1/2 hour prior to Disneyland closing. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop and the doors have opened. Then gather your belongings, lower your head, watch your step, and exit to the left of the monorail. Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you enjoy your visit to the Disneyland Resort.
When I say it's next door, it's to my right. Rainforest Cafe is sadly going to be going away to make room for a resort. They did try to save it, but they had the reasons and stuff. I remember they used to have a bird show here. I don't know when they stopped doing that. Right from the downtown Disney parking lot, you are greeted with the first sight of Rainforest Cafe. Look how beautiful this is. I'm really gonna miss it. It really was the first Rainforest Cafe that I was ever introduced to. Even though it's a chain restaurant, not every one is decorated with the outsides. Because there are rainforests that are inside malls, so you're not going to have this beautiful decoration. So yeah, I'm really going to miss it, downtown Disney. Years ago, they didn't used to have this fence. This is a fairly new thing for security. They now check your bags before you get in. That's fairly new. Usually the security was they checked your bags before you get into the parks. But look at all this beautiful vegetation. Another thing that's leaving is the ESPN zone. That's a sports restaurant and the movie theater. That was the first movie theater I saw my first movie in. I can still tell you what the movie was. It was Cars, the first one. Hi, Duck. Are you going to miss it when this place goes away? Oh, and at night, those flaming torches, it's beautiful. Those flaming torches, they're still going. It's hard to see, but they run day and night. But it's gorgeous at night. There's the toucan hiding. And you can eat outside. Eating outside when it's night, it's, what can I say? It's exotic. Very exotic. Aw, house sparrows.
No, baby's gonna go in there.
A wild place to shop and eat. They got a great gift shop. Water wigglies slip out of your hand.
Wow.
And this is one of my favorites. The monkeys. They give you some information based on the species of the monkey that you pick, so you get some educational stuff in. She will talk. Hi, I'm Tracy Tree.
Let's dance with the animals. Dance with the animals.
And I'm Tracy Tree. Check out the wild selection of toys, gifts, and souvenirs right here in the rainforest.
These are beautiful. Assorted beaded pouches and assorted beaded bracelets. Art glass is such a wonderful craft. It's so beautiful to just watch them make glass and form it. Oh.
Beautiful glass.
Yeah, whether you're inside the restaurant or at the gift shop, the rainforest will happen. And the thunderstorm will happen, is what I meant to say. It happens like every half hour. It's hard to talk and do two things at once. So you can make your own charm bracelets or necklaces. This is my favorite part of the whole restaurant. The aquarium.
Pretty tight. Not the rest of it. Can you stand right here? And turn towards your box. Monkey. There's even a panda back there. Halfway up the stairs, get to look down into the gift shop. And when thunderstorms happen, that sky changes. Rescue the rainforest. This is where you go if you want to eat outside. Oh my goodness. It has been a long time since I've eaten outside. It's so beautiful.
The only thing about outside is you're obviously not going to be getting that thunderstorm that occurs every half hour. But it's nice weather. Those gorillas go off. Usually the animals, as far as I remember, unless it's like short, brief things, like short, brief time periods, they usually go full wild during a rainstorm. See, he just moved. And the sky goes dark. And the elephants, that's another great place to sit by. The elephants also go crazy. Any animal that is animatronic will react during a thunderstorm. And you'll sometimes see a shooting star. Oh, there goes one.